In this video, we will show you how to assemble and use the Acer electric scooter series 1 Advance for the first time. Now, let's see if you have what it takes. In the box, you will find main scooter body, left and right handle set with hexagonal key, charger, warranty booklet, and user manual. Remember to read user's manual carefully. Reading is good for you. It's time for some scooter origami. Pull and rotate the limit nut 90 degrees right or left to secure the screw in loose state. Unfold the scooter by stepping on the folding handle and pulling the handlebar away. Rotate the limit nut to the close state to make the stem secure. Once you hear the click, the scooter is fully unfolded. Twist handles into the handlebar until there is no sign of shaking. Come on, you can handle it. Connect the charger to wall outlet and its other end to the charging slot on the upper part of the stem. The charger indicator is red at charging and green at charging complete. Complete charging time is 3 hours. Just enough minutes to watch this video 90 times. Once the battery is fully charged, always remember to close the charging slot. Make sure that the limit nut is in closed state before every ride. Press and hold power button for 3 seconds. The scooter is now turned on. The scooter has 3 speed modes to choose from. To switch between speed modes, press the power button twice. To turn on head or tail lights, use the light switches on the right side of the handle. In fact, there is no wrong side of it. To start the ride, put your foot on the footstep and push the ground with the other foot. Once the scooter moves forward, put the other foot on the footstep and gradually push the throttle. Sometimes you will have to slow down a bit. To stop the scooter, release the accelerator lever while pressing brake lever accordingly to vehicle speed. To turn off the scooter, press and hold the power button for 3 seconds. Pull out the limit nut and rotate it to a loose state. Gently push the stem forward while stepping on the pedal. Fold the scooter. The scooter is easy to manage and lightweight, only 12 kilograms. To unfold it again, follow the same steps in reverse. It is almost like traveling back in time. We want you to ride safely. That's why the scooter has 8-inch flat tires and front suspension. Remember to ride with caution and always wear a helmet. And in case it rains, we got you covered.